Hello friends, are you ready to crush the AWS Cloud Practitioner exam? There are over 80 services in scope, and today we're going through them category by category. Bookmark this because we're going fast. Let's go. First up, Analytic. Athena for SQL queries on S3. Elastic MapReduce, EMR for big data. Glue for data integration. Kinesis for real-time streaming. OpenSearch for search and visualization. QuickSight for BI dashboards. Redshift for data warehousing. Next, application integration. EventBridge for event-driven app. Simple Notification Service, SNS for notifications. Simple Queue Service, SQS for message queuing. Step Functions for visual workflows. Business apps. Amazon Connect for contact centers. Simple Email Service, SES for email. For the money side, financial management. AWS budgets to set alerts. Cost and usage reports for the raw data. Cost Explorer to visualize your spend. AWS Marketplace to buy third-party software. Now, compute. Batch for batch jobs. Elastic Compute Cloud, EC2 your virtual servers. Elastic Beanstalk for easy web app deployment. Lightsail for simple VPS needs. Outposts to run AWS on-premise. Containers. Elastic Container Registry ECR to store images. Elastic Container Service ECS for Docker. Elastic Kubernetes Service EKS for Kubernetes. Now, customer enablement. AWS support, basic, developer, business, and enterprise support plans. And where does the data live? Databases. Aurora for high-performance SQL. DocumentDB for MongoDB. DynamoDB for NoSQL. Elasticache for in-memory speed. Neptune for graph databases. RDS for relational data. Developer tools. Command Line Interface CLI. Control services via command line script. Code Build automatically compiles and tests code. Code Pipeline orchestrates your software release workflow. X-Ray debug and trace requests through your app. End-user computing. AppStream 2.0. Stream desktop applications to a browser. Workspaces. Persistent Virtual Desktop VDI. Workspaces Secure Browser, Policy-Linked, Secure Web Access. Frontend Web and Mobile. Amplify, fast way to build and deploy full-stack app. AppSync, managed GraphQL service for data syncing. Internet of Things IoT. IoT Core connects devices to the cloud securely. Next category is a big one for the exam. It is management and governance. Auto-scaling scales capacity to meet demand. CloudFormation model resources with template. CloudTrail logs API calls and user activity. CloudWatch monitors metrics and performance. Compute Optimizer recommends optimal resources to lower costs. Config records and evaluates configuration changes. Control Tower sets up a governed multi-account environment. Health Dashboard reports AWS service outages. License Manager manages software licenses. Management Console, the web interface for managing AWS. Organizations, central management and billing for multiple accounts. Service Catalog, create and manage approved IT service catalogs. Service Quotas, view and manage your account service limit. Systems Manager, automates operational tasks and patching. Trusted Advisor, your automated best practice consultant. Well-architected tool, reviews workloads against AWS best practices. migration and transfer. Application Discovery Service, plan migration by identifying on-premise servers. Application Migration Service, the go-to tool for lift and shift. Database Migration Service DMS, migrates databases with minimal downtime. Migration Evaluator, builds a business case for cloud costs. Migration Hub, your dashboard to track all migrations. Schema Conversion Tool SCT, converts database schemas for different engines. Snow Family, physical devices for moving petabytes of data. Networking and Content Delivery. API Gateway, create and manage secure APIs. CloudFront, Content Delivery Network CDN for low latency. Direct Connect, private, dedicated physical connection to AWS. Global Accelerator, uses AWS Global Network for faster traffic. Private Link, connect VPCs privately without public internet. Route 53, Scalable Domain Name System DNS. Transit Gateway, connects thousands of VPCs and on-prem network. Virtual Private Client, your isolated virtual network. Virtual Private Network, secure encrypted tunnels. AWS Site-to-Site VPN, connects entire offices or data centers to AWS. AWS Client VPN, connects individual users to AWS. Machine Learning. Amazon Comprehend, uses NLP to find insights and sentiments in text. Amazon Kendra, intelligent enterprise search service powered by ML. Amazon Lex, build conversational AI and chatbot. Amazon Polly, turns text into lifelike speech. Amazon Q, your generative AI-powered assistant for work in AWS. Amazon Recognition, analyzes images and videos to find objects, faces, and text. Amazon SageMaker AI, the platform to build, train, and deploy custom ML models. Amazon Textract, automatically extracts text and data from scanned document. Amazon Transcribe, converts speech to text. Amazon Translate, fast, high-quality language translation. Security, Identity, and Compliance. Artifact, on-demand access to AWS Compliance Report. Audit Manager, automates evidence collection for audit. AWS Certificate Manager ACM, provision and manage SSL/TLS certificate. Cloud HSM, managed hardware security modules for keys. Cognito, user sign-up, sign-in, and access control. Detective, investigates and analyzes security findings. Directory Service, managed Microsoft Active Directory. Firewall Manager, centrally manage firewall rules. Guard Duty, managed threat detection service. Identity and Access Management IAM, manage users and least privilege access. IAM Identity Center, single sign-on for all accounts. Inspector, automated security assessment for EC2 and ECR. Key Management Service, create and control encryption keys. Macy, uses AI to find sensitive data in S3. Resource Access Manager, share AWS resources between accounts. Secrets Manager, rotate and manage passwords API keys. Security Hub, central view of security alert. Shield, DDoS protection. WEF, protects web apps from common exploit. Serverless. Fargate, serverless engine for containers. Lambda, run code in response to event. Finally, storage. Backup, centralized backup service. Elastic Block Store EBS, block storage volumes for EC2. Elastic File Store EFS, shared file storage. Elastic Disaster Recovery, minimizes downtime with fast, automated recovery. FSX, launch high-performance, specialized file systems. Simple Storage Service S3, object storage. S3 Glacier low-cost storage classes. Storage Gateway connects on-premises apps to cloud storage. That's the core list. Knowing the services is only half the battle. To truly pass the CLF-C02, you need to see how these services appear in actual exam scenarios. I've put together a full playlist of AWS Cloud Practitioner. In that playlist, we break down real-world exam questions, detailed explanations on why an answer is right or wrong, practice sets to check when you are ready to take actual certification exam. Don't go into the exam room guessing. Click the playlist now, get some practice rounds in, and let's get you certified.